Hi there, today's video is around sorting and filtering your files on SharePoint. This is hopefully going to help you to organise your shared files a bit better, which will help productivity in the long run. Firstly, we need to go to our Office 365 and go straight to the SharePoint application. From here, we want to go to our group and view our files. Here we can see our documents in a list view there with the different options listed at the top. At the moment there is name, modified, which shows the time of which the file was last modified, so we can change this to oldest to newest or vice versa. And then who it was modified by right at the end there. We also have the option to add columns, so you can actually add in more filtering sections in there depending on how you want to filter your files. So we are just going to do an example of date and time, and then we have to choose a name for the specific column too. We can add a lot of specific formatting to these columns as well, like what is shown or the formatting of it. We then just want to click OK, then we get sent back to our documents where we can now see our new column. You have a lot of freedom in terms of making your files look exactly how you need, like here we can change the column sizes as well as add or hide any columns if necessary. If we now go off of our files and go back onto them, we will see that these sorting filters won't save when we go back on it. So in order to fix this, we want to go ahead and tick the older to newer section again and head up to the top right where it says all documents. Then we can click the button that says save view as. We can then name our view. This can be shared with your team, or you can untick the public view and only you will have this view. When we go ahead and save this, we want to go back into our viewing section and set this current view as default. When we now go off and back onto our file page, we'll be able to see the save view that we chose. Next, I just want to show you the filtering section, which is in the top right hand corner, the button that literally looks like a filter. Here you can filter the files you see by specific time periods of when the file was modified, so for example, we can show everything modified on a specific date, as well as specific file types, for example Excel and PowerPoint. This now works in the same way as the sorting section, so you can actually save this view for future reference, so now we can go straight to the view with only the Excels and PowerPoints. This will help you to get to the files that you need more efficiently. That concludes today's video. I hope this helps to increase your productivity. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.